Are you still dragging formulas down thousands of rows in Excel? Stop wasting time. In this tutorial, I'll show you 5 proven methods to apply a formula to an entire column. These tricks will make your workflow faster, cleaner, and error-free. Let's dive straight in. Here's our data set: product, quantity, price, and total sales. To calculate total sales, in cell D2 type this formula. Start by typing equals B2. Add an asterisk and C2. Finally, press Enter. Now our goal is to apply this formula to the entire column. Let's start with the classic method. Go to the formula cell, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small square. This is the fill handle. Just double-click it, and Excel will instantly copy the formula down the entire column. Fast, simple, and reliable. Here's a faster keyboard shortcut. Select the entire cell where you want the formula. Now, type the formula just once in the first cell. Instead of pressing Enter, hit Ctrl plus Enter. Excel fills the formula into every selected cell instantly. This is a big time saver. Here's the smart way I always recommend: Excel tables. Click anywhere in your dataset and press Ctrl plus T to convert it into a table. Make sure My Table as Headers is checked. And click OK. Now in the first cell, type this formula. When you press Enter, Excel will automatically apply the formula to the entire column, and even new rows will auto-calculate. Perfect for dynamic data. Method number 4 is copy and paste. Just copy the formula in D2 using Ctrl plus C. Select the entire column D, where you want it applied, and press Ctrl plus V. Excel automatically adjusts the formula for each row. Method 5, the fill command. Start by selecting your formula in D2, then hold Shift and highlight all the rows you want to fill. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the Fill drop-down and choose Down. Excel instantly copies the formula into every selected cell. If the fill handle stops, Excel hit a blank row. Fix it by keeping data continuous or using an Excel table. Now you know 5 quick ways to apply formulas to entire columns in Excel. If this helped, give it a like, share with your colleagues, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel hacks. See you in the next video.